melaninplanter, and today I'm going to be opening up a package from Greenspaces, I think it's Greenspaces.id. So this is my first order with them. Let me get Google off, I'm sorry. I can't open it through here. But I placed my order with them on January 10th, and it shipped out January 30th, and it arrived today, February 4th. So I'm really excited. I ordered quite a few plants. Looks like they have all the necessary documents on here. So far so good. Let's see, where should I start? My cat is just waiting for this. Okay, I think I'll start here because I see an opening. Cat, no. Jazia. Ooh. My cat wants to get in the box so bad. Where should I do it? Ooh. Kind of want to open this way. Okay, let's see. Just gonna throw the stuffing. It's a little moist in here. Oh, I should have my phone with me so I have a list of what I ordered. But it looks like they wrote it on this one at least. So this is the Burle Marx. I always just call it Burle Max. Okay. So this video, I just want to mention, I paid for these. These aren't, like, they sent me free plants. So I saw a few videos where they were sent plants and told to do a review. So I'm not getting paid for this. Wow. This one I kind of wasn't too excited about, but now I am. Let's see. Look at it. It's beautiful. Look at that leaf. It's a tiny guy. So beautiful. I should have like a little table to put these in. Okay. This one is huge. So this is the, I fail at these names. They put it. I don't know if you can see. My light might be too bright. This one is the Soderoy. Let's see. Leave it, Jadzia. Sorry, I'm just gonna be fussing at my cat. Interesting one. This one didn't travel as well as the Burle Max. This leaf looks like it's a little, I'm probably going to lose this leaf and the smaller leaf, but this one hopefully will be okay. This one was huge, but it's definitely not going to live long. Okay, so next, ooh, the dorayaki. Let's see. I don't know if you can see the name or not, but this one's looks really tiny. Jadzia. My cat likes the smell of the plants, I guess. Oh, this one is so cute and tiny. Oh, wow. Look at this tiny one. A little dorayaki. So, teeny tiny, really cute. And has this new little leaf. How cute! Okay, next. Told you I ordered quite a few. Oh, the magnificum. I have another magnificum, but it's the green form, so it's not as dark as this one. So I had to get just the regular. Nice. This one is beautiful. Oh, and it has a new leaf, and the new leaf looks like it's gonna make it. Usually the new leaves look like they're gonna die. Look, I don't know if you can see it, but it just came out. That's awesome. I'm really impressed with that one. Okay, that just made my day. Okay, this is the Syngonium Albo. So I threw this one and the Burle Marx in there just because I don't have them yet. They weren't high on my list, but this guy didn't travel so well. Poor little Syngonium. Aw, little dead leaf. Okay. Oh, dead leaves are just falling off. So we got 2 dead leaves. Okay, so besides those 2 dead leaves, I think this is where they came off of. Looks like there would have been a new one, but I don't think that new shoot's gonna make it. But we'll see. I can work with it. Some plants just don't travel as well as others, so I won't fault the seller. Okay. Wish me luck. Because I have a Philodendron, but I don't have this guy. I'm just threatening my cat with the water bottle. He's scared of the water bottle. Trying to keep him away. Ooh! Wow, this one is bigger than the Philodendron that I have. And I bought that one elsewhere. This one is, wow. This makes up for any of the other herd plants. Look how big that guy is. It's huge. It has 3 leaves. Oh, I'm so excited for this one actually. See, the plants that I'm like not really excited for, they made me super excited for. Look how big that is. It's huge. I'm very happy. Okay, let's see. So we have 2 more. It was the Plowmanii and the Mamei. These ones aren't labeled, so I'm gonna be guessing because I don't remember how it usually looks. Okay. There is this one. Because I remember one has, aw, there's a broken leaf. Looks like it's been broken for a little bit. That sucks. That leaf was beautiful. So it's going to be 1 leaf. I guess I should just, it's kind of trying to fix itself. So I might try to actually fix that one. Let me not mess with it though. So then I can hopefully fix it later. But this one is really beautiful. And look at the stem. I don't know if you can see the stem, but it's a really beautiful stem. So, then that little dead leaf. But then it has a new leaf coming up. It looks like it got a little browned at the end, so I don't know. I like the ruffled stem. Okay. This one is really, really big. Ooh. Wow. I guess they both, the Plowmanii and that one, have this. They have the cool stems. Wow. Sorry, my cat is knocking stuff over in the background. So this one is probably going to die, but it's a huge leaf. This one hopefully will be the one to live. It's really big. Look at that. And I think, looks like there will be new growth soon. So that one is pretty big. Okay, so they did have the fast shipping once it started. Like I said, they shipped it on the 30th and it came the 4th, so pretty fast through DHL. So I liked that. It takes them a little bit to get the orders together because, like I said, I placed it January 10th. It's here now. But they have great communication. I had asked them a question after I placed the order, which I liked. I'm waiting for them to get this plant that I don't have. Hey, this plant that I don't have in stock. And then hopefully I'll place another order with them. But I highly recommend them. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plants from them, and none of them are completely dead. So that's perfect. Of course, during shipping, some plants will lose some leaves, so no fault to them. What I'm most excited about, the magnificum and the big boy. But I appreciate you so much for watching. I'm going to probably go and see what other plants I can order online because I have an itch now that these arrived. So I hope you have a great day. Again, thanks for watching.